Hi everyone, it's Gail. It is a big day at my house today. My Jane's Memoirs kit came from Fern Studios. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you guys this. So, as I've talked about, my friend Jen Bishop designed this paper collection, and I don't know, stamps and chipboard. I don't know how that all works, but they coordinate exactly with the Blue Fern Studios Jane's Memoirs. So I guess she has a hand in it all. So anyway, let's look at all of this. I am going to show you the papers first because I want you to see how well all the coordinating stamps and chipboard and stuff goes with. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this. As you know, Bird Waltz is one of my very favorites, and Jen has once again outdone herself. She is amazing. Let me make sure that I'm in camera. Yep. I'm saying if you're watching this on your iPad, go full screen because you're going to want to see this. Okay, so Jane's Memoirs. This is calling cards. So this is the journaling cards sheet, really, of the collection. I wanted to say too that if you order the whole collection, you get 2 sheets of each design. So that's important to know. Also, I will have Dreams, etc. Jen Bishop's store, dreamsetc.com. I'll have that in the description box below. And also lots of bubbles for me on Etsy is the other place I get my Blue Fern stuff. I'll also have Blue Fern have their website because they have a blog and there's lots of awesome ideas. Like when I do my design team project, that's the pictures go on the Blue Fern Studios blog. So, okay, without further ado, can you tell I'm so excited? Anyway, here is the journaling cards, and then the back is this beautiful like lace pattern. There's some writing over here, just ever so subtle of blue. I've told you before that my friend Jen, when she designs these pages, there are 100 layers or more to this paper. So this one is called Distressed Floral. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, and I have to tell you, I looked through the collection really quick. I did say to my friend Jen, I said, Jen, if you could put the a main focal point on the right, it makes it so much easier to make it a journal or a traveler's notebook or whatever, because you've got the right hand thing. And she did on almost all of them. So I feel excited about that. Thanks for listening, Jen. So there's that one. I mean, oh, you guys, this paper is so gorgeous. Would you look at that? It's like, it makes my mouth water, and it's paper. Oh, it's just absolutely stunning, Jen. Good job, my friend. And then this one's called Bouquet. Now this one, she did put the lady on the left, but I think most of the other ones but I mean, that would still make an awesome cover right there too. Oh, and isn't that pretty? The stitching and the, oh, gorgeous, Jen. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, now we're at 2 of them. Okay, here's the calling cards again. Excuse me while I just get organized here. And here's that second one we saw, and then the bouquet, and then this one's called Emma. And look at that. Look at how Emma is just on the right hand side. Thank you so much, Jen. Oh, this is just simply stunning. And this is embroidery right here. That's embroidery in here. Oh my gosh, and look at the back with that embroidery and the lace. Wow, Jen. Wow, it's all I have to say to this. Oh, and look, it's on the right again. Oh, it's so pretty. This one's called Le Petit Echo. And this looks like this is embroidery. A lot of embroidery incorporated in this. You know, the first time I saw this was at Creativation, and these were up on the wall, and I didn't really look closely. Oh, whoops, other side. Isn't that pretty? Oh, just gorgeous, Jen. Just gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. Locket and Key, this is called. Isn't that pretty? Oh, backside. Writing with flowers behind, some lace. Oh, my stars. It is scrumptious. This one's called Mercantile. Love this. Look at the dark lace on this one. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, wow, Jen. Holy cow. Just stunning. Just stunning. Oh, wowie, wow. Metropolitan. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that is absolutely... I don't know. I don't have any words. Oh my gosh, I love the back too. Thank goodness they give you two. And I've already ordered another collection because, you know, I just have to. I have to. I think I had like 4 collections of bird waltz. But this Jane's Memoirs is just beautiful too, Jen. Oh, I love that one. Oh, look at how beautiful this one is with that right there. Pride and Prejudice, this one is. Wow. Oh, Jen. That just makes my heart sing is what that does. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and this one is Stylograph. Isn't that pretty? Wouldn't that make a fun TN cover? I'll tell you about the project that I'm going to do with these as well. Oh, look at the back of that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Oh, Jan, these papers are stunning. Absolutely stunning. I need to have this. Nope. This one on top while we look at the other stuff. Absolutely gorgeous, Jen. Oh, my friend, my talented friend. Okay, so what comes with the kit, or what comes with the collection is what I meant to say, is some laces. So let's look at those. Let me get these kind of up to the camera for you. I hope you can see them in the cellophane. But the laces are, Blue Fern laces are my favorite. I mean, if it's not actual antique vintage lace, then I want it to be Blue Fern because it's just beautiful. You can't see that one very well, but it's just like this one. The style is just like this one, except in black. So those are the 4 laces that came. And then let me show you the chipboard. Oh, some of this chipboard is just yummy too. Okay, this one's called Fanciful Memoirs. So it says Memoirs, and then, oh man, this one's Jane's Baubles. Isn't that cool? It's like it hangs down. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's 2 pieces. It's 2 pieces. So it's this piece and then the floral. Okay, but I kind of like that, like it's hanging down. This one is called Jane's Cameo. Oh, man. This one is called Afternoon Tea. Yep, designed by Jen Bishop. It says it right on there. So, books and tea. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. This one is called Penned. So it's got this beautiful pen with a flourish and then an ink. Oh my gosh, Jen. This one's Chantilly Lace. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh man, my little brain is just a-going. Fanciful Linen. It's really kind of almost the damask design, isn't it? And then the last one here is Emma's Treasures. The little frame, and oh my gosh, so fun. Okay, and then the charms that came with this one, Emma's Trinkets. And they're little florals. Oh, they're so pretty. So pretty. And then, let me show you. This is the ephemera. And I'll just kind of hold that for a second on the back so you can see all the cool women and the florals. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. And then these are the stamps. Yep, these are designed by Jen too. It says so. Book plate stamps. How fun is that? Yeah. Those are awesome. This one is London Souvenir. It has Dear and Sincerely. Look at how fun that is. Look at this little, that'd be fun to make a little notepad out of. Oh gosh, and look at this postal one. Registered letter. Yeah, that's going to get used a lot. Oh, that is just beautiful. Look at the postmarks, and then it's got florals in throughout it. And then this one is Tattered Lace stamp. Look at that. Oh, wow. Well, my breath is definitely taken away. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'll have the couple places that where I shop that I know you can get it. You can get it other places too if you have a favorite scrapbook paper type of place. You can you may be able to get it there. I think last time I looked at the Blue Fern website, they actually had a list of retailers. I'm just giving you my favorites. Jen, the maker, the designer, and then Renee at Lots of Bubbles for me. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Go get yours, because I mean, this is another one of those must-haves for sure. Absolutely love it, Jen. It's so beautiful. Oh, I should tell you about my project too. So I am going to do a project with this paper line that I'm going to follow instructions, which we'll see how that goes. But Jen's mom, my pal Janita, she did a journal for the creativation for the class that the Blue Fern gals taught, and she has the instructions. So I'm going to try and follow my friend Janita's instructions and make a journal in her style with these gorgeous papers. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't know that I'll film all of it. I will film bits and pieces. I have a plan for May, and that's coming up quickly. So I'll film what I can of this, and then of course you'll see the flip through at the end too. But I may do quite a bit of it off camera, because I'm going to have to read the instructions to kind of figure out what I'm doing. It should be interesting, but it's a really cool style of a journal. And so definitely I'll start off maybe kind of working on it, and then for sure do a flip through. So, oh my gosh. Well, thanks to Susan and Ann, the wonderful ladies at Blue Fern Studios, for inviting me to work with their gorgeous products. I mean, Blue Fern Studio paper is the best scrapbooking paper that I have come across. It is thick. It doesn't crack. It's just excellent paper. So, all that to say, you guys can decide for yourself, but I think you're gonna love all these fun things. So anyway, I did check lots of bubbles for me too, to make sure, and she has the chipboard and the stamps and all the stuff. So have fun, and thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks again to Susan and Ann, and thanks so much, Jen, for sharing your talents with all of us. You are gifted, a gifted artist, my friend. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody. Bye.